Investor narratives scattered across systems. Sales telling one story while finance tells another. Market signals buried in competitor noise. For IR teams and sales leadership, this disconnect costs credibility. Meet the CloneForce Investor Relations and Analyst clone, built to solve exactly that. In the next 90 seconds, you'll see how it prepares consistent narratives, tracks investor intelligence, and monitors competitive positioning so your entire organization speaks the same language. Start with narrative preparation. In the Clone Creation Knowledge tab, upload your earnings decks, board packs, and financial system data. The clone pulls this intelligence together and auto-drafts updated slides highlighting quarter-over-quarter and year-over-year deltas, key drivers, and known sensitivities. When your VP of Sales walks into a strategic account meeting, they're using the same growth story your CFO just delivered to investors. Consistent narratives across earnings calls, board meetings, and customer conversations build trust and eliminate mixed messages. Next, investor interaction tracking. The Clone Details Activity tab captures every analyst call and investor meeting. After each conversation, the clone generates structured notes, categorizes by investor type and interest, and tracks sentiment shifts over time. When 5 different analysts ask about the same competitive threat, that pattern surfaces immediately and becomes a sales enablement brief titled Top 5 Objections from Wall Street. Intelligence flows directly from investor relations into your sales team's hands, cutting response time by 40%. Finally, peer and market monitoring. In the Clone Details Schedule tab, set the clone to continuously track competitor earnings calls, analyst reports, and market headlines. It generates what's changed digest before every critical meeting. When a competitor announces aggressive pricing to grab share, your IR team and sales reps know before customers start asking. You're positioned proactively, not reacting defensively when customers echo analyst narratives. One clone, 3 critical capabilities: aligned narratives, actionable investor intelligence, and competitive awareness that keeps you ahead. See the IR and analyst clone in action. Schedule your demo today.